And while I was away, I ordered the SOS kit for the relocation of the oil sensor, like updated oil sensor. So anyhow, so this is the kit. So I'm going to try to do it in the car, and we'll keep you guys updated. Well, first update. Sorry for the noise. There's tons of noise because I'm in the street. Anyways, the instructions are good, but it doesn't say the size of the bolts. And the size of the bolts installed that is 12 millimeters. And I had to remove this little bracket for the connector of the oil pressure switch down there. It goes in that bolt there. It's a 10 millimeter, so I can release that and actually have more access. And then I move this cable here over by taking the bracket out of the VTEC solenoid, so I can remove it and put it over here, because otherwise I don't have enough space. The pictures showed all this removed, and you can barely see the VTEC, so that it was taken from that side. Anyhow, I removed that so I can get better access, and I was able to reach the two bolts. So that is, I don't know if it's a must, but it gives you better access to be able to get there, because the bolts are right there. So let me see if I can do this. There's that bolt there and the one in the bottom. Here it is outside, and these are the bolts. They are pretty long. And obviously oil will come out of this. And this is a block that we are switching to that block. So basically this block redirects the oil to that port, and then the little pipe connects there, and then you can relocate it. So that's how it looks like. So the O-ring goes here, like in this block, it goes like that. So I'm going to install it now, and it's pretty clean, so that's good. So here is the finished product. That's where the gauge ended up being. The cable, right to the connector, sit tight. No leaking, which is a good thing, and the reading is much higher now, even in idle. So now idle I have, like, you know, I guess let's say that's 40 pounds. They usually stay there even, and will go up a little bit, not much. But now if I rev it, let's do this. That makes more sense to me, because, you know, even driving in the highway, it will go up to maybe 6, maybe no more. So that's a good thing now. So I think it's really more accurate now, which is what I wanted. And the pressure is good. So that's all.